$10 billion US dollars. $10 billion US dollars has been pumped into the forex market. And I know, sir, this thing, it will sound like enye to enye nukre by nukre. So if you are, for anyone who is on YouTube and Facebook, you are seeing a joint news item. Bank of Ghana pumps 10 billion US dollars into forex market since January 2025 to aid cedi's stability. Bank of Ghana pumps 10 billion US dollars. And yeah, Ghana cedis, US dollars. Sika wo person Coventry ko Ghana cedis man easy. Ebeye 100 billion Ghana cedis. Bank of Ghana has pumped that money into the forex market just for them to say Ato is forcing. Now, I guess all of us remember the history of this very issue. Say Kai. When we came out first, MPP for Yebeka first between April, May, honum, the way forex foreign exchange no na econo, it wasn't normal, and that something was being done to the currency. Our friends in government, NDC4, they came to say yeboa, tena chantro. They denied it. They said it was not true. That now a figment of our imagination. Say MPP4 no 38% now 30 yargin. And we were all hallucinating that it was because of prudent economic management in Tina. The currency was becoming stable. That's what they told us. Then World Bank Bekai said, Debbie, adia ato force in wuye jai. After that, Ena after ato force in Bekai no, World Bank Kai no. Then IMF also came to say, are there artificial stabilization of currency that the Bank of Ghana is running? No? Omunjai. Now, like I said, Munjaya is not because what Bank and I say IMF, they want our currency to suffer. They know the implications. They know the economic implications of whatever they were doing. And whilst they were doing all these things, in the country, they were trying to limit air circulation of the city. So what did they do? They started first by refusing to pay people. Nini nana plan no. The refusal to pay people na a plan. Because enkrofo on this car, omu ni purchasing power. Now say who need purchasing power? How are you going out there say ukoto adie? Unkutumi to adie. And the inflation will come down. Because few people have money to go and buy. There's no competition over goods and services. And see, when you hear say nurses have not been paid for 11 months, YEA workers 4 months in Antuamuka, road contractors, and all those things are. It is because they have taken money out of the system, over 10 billion Ghana cedis. I will keep your Bank of Ghana. So they will come out and come and show you a nice figure. Say, Ato is forcing inflation. Then was single digit. Inflation was single digit. So no, the prices of goods and services and back from that. Auntie Mary said, I'm very happy about that. I had the price of goods and services there and back from that. So even students are beginning to wake up and say, no, idea way there ain't normal. Now the economic advisor to Yemami, the vice president, or University of Cape Coast, a guy be called Bisano say, Muna musi inflation say but it was single digit mo. Now so aduane no board the sra na eko. He couldn't answer. I say, oh, automator relative there, so yes, sikeni. Economic advisor, no. To vice president, no. He could not explain in simple terms inflation to a student. And to be so, say, Obi Oye economic advisor, he cannot explain inflation. But Chanipa also know Article 71 hold out. Article 71 also know V8 baku, saloon car baku, efie. We pay for your driver. We pay entertainment allowance for you. Travel allowance, gardener allowance, driver allowance, housemaid allowance. Common air inflation. You cannot define. That is the country we are building under John Dramani Mahama. This is the nation. This is how sad it has become. How funny it has become under John Dramani Mahama. And whilst all these things happening, here foreign currency and kaska ebias assembly we can fall on 10 billion United States dollars. Sasika nyinano. Just because they want to paint a picture to Ghanaians and say, oh, they are working on the economy. They have gone to dash all that money out. Now, money funny. Most of that money, a chunk of that money in Nano, still finds its way to the black market. Abochi for. Now, Abochi for bebree no, omu politicians we are done for. Yeah. Most of this Abochi for, you ask yourself, where are they getting the dollars from? They have friends among politicians. So our hard-earned money, the money that they are supposed to use to develop the country, you know. Omudi ye kaligwegbe. How do Muslims even call it? That thing that Muslims do that they share food free. There's a name they call it. I've forgotten. Why won't even know your comment section, mommy? Is it Saraka or something like that? That Muslims do when they are fasting. That is what they are using our monies for. And so, yeah, Salaka. Thank you. Is it Salaka or Saraka? One of them. Yes, Sika no. Or mine is Sika. Or mine is Sika no. That is what they are using it for. And people are hungry. Teachers are not being paid. I saw a video today. I was so sad. There was this young guy or a nurse ni and as a teacher. I think or a nurse ni. He said he had come from Koforidua all the way to Accra. He knelt down ewo kwan no so say, "Ow. Aban muhumi mobo. Amuma mi juma." Or a teacher, I saw a teacher ni and I saw a nurse. Or see, they even to take a car. Aha, yeah. I think Zakat. Yeah, thank you, Clinton. Or say even to take a car. To Accra, ni mami ne boano. Hypo say leave Nessis alone to suffer. Ni mami ne boano. Guy no, nani why a mobile rough. You see? So when we tell you that elections, it has consequences, it's not as if we just want to talk debut. But truly, no, elections have consequences. They do. They do, pa. And you drone delivery, we are. Hey, ready. So when all this is ongoing, I say Sadaka. Okay. So I think this is the right spelling, Sadaka. Yeah. They do. So people are dying on the Accra Kumasi road. Government does not care. And 10 billion US dollars here. And Accra Kumasi road, and commit men falling, cry my biaka. Yeah. Upe audio for phone neko AI. Maybe say AI say, what can 10 billion US dollars do to Ghana? Neshe. Accra Kumasi road no. Anka ye penu 8 lane cry bet me aye. Bridge otifo peno. Ewo river no so no. Ka bet me aye nukra be 10 times cry na ebia sanka. Agenda 111 projects ni nyina. We'll have done all of them. Simple cry na. But because of wickedness and cluelessness, this government is rather putting it into dashing it to the forest market. And do you know when we are going to suffer all these things? If something small like this happen in the world between now, between 2026, 2028, the way Ghana for is the way no, the way we suffer. If something small should happen, the way we will suffer as a minor, we would have wished that there was not a party called NDC. Yeah. But whichever the case, the Empire Bond say, God will see NDC through. Keep Mahama alive for him to finish his tenure. So until 2028, nothing can be done about it. Until 7 December 2028. Now, after 7 December, we know what they did in 2016. That's when they shared or manager Padie between 7 December 2016 to 7 January 2017. That's when they shared on my Japadie in a boss site no or the man in here and cars, government cars, and go for to be 300 cities, go for to be 500 cities. Yeah. Vehicles, so 4x4 vehicles. So that's the NDC for you. So Ghana, for the West is to come. The West is to come. Nothing has happened yet. All the things we are complaining about now, no, a warm up. We are already $10 billion. Ekoye sanko se asem nyina no. Eye warm up. Eye warm up. Shinsi. And we asked for it. Ghana for we asked for it. Yana, we did ask for it. This should never have happened. By now, anka your credit score system. By now, anka your credit score system. Me say mananti abre. Mananti sa obi ami want me 30s. Mananti sa me peka. Now, where are you going to get all the money to go and buy a car at once. Just me could be a GoFundMe account for my birthday. Toyota Vitz. Toyota Vitz is a no. If you don't have 100,000 Ghana cedis, 1 billion, Toyota Vitz. Corolla Crade, only 1.5 billion, but our system is such a way that one fast cannon na at once, to me to be. And to me, a son of a charcoal seller, me konye be one. Because Bushan Fonso or I saw Modidi. My niece or why I say, over school fees, book fee, and any man. And by now, credit score or what? How? Our life will have been easier. Our life will have been easier. And all these things we told Ghanaians, so we did tell Ghanaians. But anytime we were saying it, the answer was quen. So there has been a lot of reactions online. Hey, I wish say the sound would be loud enough for more TikTok on TV. So Ghanaians have been reacting to the way NDC is pushing money into the forex market. So let's listen to what Ghanaians have to say about this. That's what is going on.
Mahama, Papa, $10 billion a day. $10 billion. Bet me the air quiet and cry too. Kumase, Papa day. Next for a teacher for my man, every month for job government. Or budget to not budget be community pa. What's one for a teacher for the next for? What discovery, SSCD, any dollar, and dollar here be the other. And no more one here, no. Let the artificial dollar. No.
Ghana de ye ho yesero ukunya leaders ya omuni ideas ya mbetima create adwuma ma ye youth
abusa Mr. Lemo Moka chair director of Bank of
abusia me church obi bia me gidi se nyankopon adom yi na ye ho ye ni mfonyi ne da soro ho no e kire se afiwi 1 year aye to aban ndc aban ewura John Dramani Mahama wone atoforce edan no omode 10 billion na ashe city no teachers for intria eco nurses for intria eco junior doctors intria eco 24-hour economy no yehu factories no yehu se erane o nkokon kitenketen factories no embayo yehu ye sidi na reflect ye botomo ukoka ye si dwedi for na mo market no na omutimo ode na omo pese omo betete ni ma so nanka arif.
Let's have a short conversation and then let's call it a day. If you're on TikTok, send your request. Let me pick you. Let's have a short conversation about Nema Yediskesi from the 10 billion. NDC4. That's our main topic for tonight. NDC4 the 10 billion. I'll share a forest market name for free. For free. And who do we have here? I think I have a Big Dream. Big Dream. NDC. MPP need here. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Right. So I'll have to find a way of. Yeah. Yes. Let's say.
The voice, good evening.
Even if you have a call here. Oh, yes, I do. Hey, is this Mayor? But Mayor Anna.
David.
Oh, okay. Let's hear you. 5 minutes, young
I think some me so scroll my TikTok and I do one I'm said me talking I mean conversation about my shada and yeah but